How to change your voice audio tempo on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your voice audio speed on Audacity easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity and now select your audio or voice like this, and then go here on effect and click, then go down, you will find change tempo. After you click on tempo change, now you can change your tempo. As you can see, you can make it more speeder.
How to media? This is just a test audio.
Or slower.
How to media? This is,
as you can see, and after you finish, click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.